welcome to In the Lab. Now today I've got with me Miss Martin again. So hello to Miss Martin and hello to all of you watching. We are going to have a look at the humble Slinky. Now it's not quite as exciting as something setting on fire, but if you've got a Slinky at home, you might want to do what I'm going to show you in a little bit. I bet there's something you've not realised that you can do. But Miss, what do you normally do with a Slinky?
Like, it goes on the side.
Yeah.
And then, I don't know.
It goes on the side and you flip it over, and normally
over.
if there were steps there, which we might try and show you later, it would keep on going down the steps.
That's what I would normally do with a Slinky.
That is what you do with a Slinky. In science you might remember that we often stretch it out and we look at waves, push-like waves that move like this, and waves that move side to side. So we often do that in science as well, but there is a third thing that we can do. So Miss, if you would like to, hold this against your ear like that, and then just drop, I know it looks a bit mad, there is a reason for this. Hold it against your ear and drop it to the floor, and then once it's on the floor, if you just bounce it up and down like this, you will hear something a little bit unusual.
Okay.
Go for it, believe me, it is going to happen.
I'm trusting you.
Just don't get your earring caught.
I won't get my earring caught, you know.
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Just flick it up and down.
It sounds like spaceship noises.
It sounds like spaceship noises. Believe it or not, people, it does actually sound like that. I'm going to try and show you what it sounds like. So I'm going to hold it against the camera here. Hopefully, if we tip the camera down a little bit like this, hopefully you might hear this. And that's giving you a little bit of an idea of what this Slinky sounds like. So if you would like to mess around with sound, because as it hits the floor, the sound is distorted as it goes up. If you'd like to have a go at that, get yourself a Slinky and do that. And in a few moments, we're going to try and do Slinky down the stairs of the school. So, see you later. Well, we promised you a look at a Slinky going down the stairs, so here we go. Let's see if we can manage it. Not bad. Nearly to the bottom of these steps. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. Make sure you join us for our next video.